Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are learning how to find the derivatives of a function using theorem. Okay, let's write solution. We have y is equals to sine x squared minus 3x. The first thing to do, we keep the derivatives inside the bracket untouched, then we find the function. We simplify the function inside the bracket again. Therefore now we find the derivatives of this one by saying we have dy dx is equals to sine x. If we differentiate sine x, you have cos x. This is cos open bracket x squared minus 3x. Then we multiply with the derivatives by differentiating this one. We multiply with the one we find the function. Therefore we multiply by saying we differentiate x squared will be 2x minus 3x will be 3. Then therefore dy dx is equals to cos x squared minus 3x into 2x minus 3. This is how you can find the derivatives of the function using theorem. Let's solve the other one. Have the function, we can say solution y dx is equals to 3x plus 1 is power 7. This one will be 7 multiplied by 3x plus 1. This one will remain untouched. Then we can find the derivatives of the another one. By multiplying this, we have, we differentiate 3x here will be 3 only. Differentiate 1 will be 0. In the power here, we multiply 7 with the power. When we subtract 1, there will be 6. Now we have y dx is equals to 7 times 3 into 3x plus 1 is power 6. This is equals to 21 into 3x plus 1 is power 6. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel for more video. Bye.